how to log into Life360. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log in and sign into Life360 app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign into Life360 app, open the Life360 application and then you're going to see this type of interface. If you don't have an account, you can tap the get started option. If you have an account, you can just tap the sign in button here. Now all you have to do is just simply go ahead and then basically enter your country. Then make sure to enter your phone number over here. Then tap the continue option. Then most likely you have to enter your password, so just go ahead and then make sure to also enter your password. Then tap on continue and then you will be able to sign into your account successfully. That's all it takes to sign into Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.